We live in the area of Neuschwanstein Castle, and I like to share with you my knowledge about the entire area, 9 things to do, the 3 best viewpoints, the best time to visit this fairy tale castle, all in my guides, and I answer all questions for Neuschwanstein Castle. Check out besttimetotravel.com and subscribe to us. And today is the eve of King Ludwig II's birthday, and each year the mountains burn in honor of him. And if you wish to know more about King Ludwig II and his Neuschwanstein Castle, check out besttimetotravel.com, subscribe us to stay informed, and like us.